Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to use Zik Analytics for eBay dropshipping. So let's get started. First of all, open Zik Analytics by logging in. If you don't have an account, create an account. And after that, click on the Add Store option, means to add the store and to see all the product details. Now eBay weekly trend, the weekly log, eBay weekly bestsellers means the bestseller of the week, shortcut and support, my competitors. Now you have to select product research. After that, select platform. And now set all the setting, shipping location, price, feedback, exclude phrase means which brand you don't want to show in your product store, sale date range, listing type, condition, and select your platform. After that, write product in the search bar and then click search. Now here's the graph of the search product. Sell-through is the overall sell of the product. Listing are the remaining products. Sold items are overall sold items. Now here is sale earning, successful listings, which is the successful sell of the product. Here is average product price, the most searched item, save search. If search will be satisfied, then add positive comments and give star ratings. Now the graph describes the sell of the product of the per seller with the percentage margin. So here are the details. Seller, the brand name of the seller, scan icon to scan all the product of the seller, and if you like any product, select to add for your store. The star means the star products. Trolley, the overall 30 days income. Product name, which shows the product names. Total sold, show the total sell of the products, and then the price and location, and the platform to show the platforms on which the product will be placed. So that's how you will use Zik Analytics for eBay dropshipping. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.